Hello and welcome to ACT 558, Fraud and Forensic Accounting Data Analysis. Please note that this course offers an inclusive access ebook, so be sure to check out this course ebook guide in order to make sure that you can access it. Our course examines fraud scenarios and how to approach identifying fraud scenarios with the use of data-related analytical techniques. Our course explains various fraud data analytical strengths and fraud data analytical planning approaches that you as a fraud examiner or a forensic accountant should consider in preparing for your fraud-related engagement. You're going to apply fraud data analytic strategies in identifying potential or actual fraud in core business systems such as transaction cycles. You're going to also look at check fraud and debit card fraud and cash larceny. You're going to look at fraudulent edits and adjusting journal entries, the revenue transaction cycle, which is one of the most heavily fraud-related transaction cycles. And we're going to conclude our course with an examination of how to apply fraud data analytics in an engagement that is specifically designed to detect and determine if fraud has occurred or is occurring within an organization as it relates to the financial statements. So please be sure to check out the syllabus here and make sure that you can accurately and access your course ebook. Then we're going to look into the modules. So let's take a look at that now. So hopefully you will look at the Get Started and the student policies, the course ebook, and the syllabus and content printing instructions. Then we get started with our first module, which is Introduction to Fraud Data Analytics and Fraud Scenarios. If you click on the Module 1 overview, you'll see here it gives you an overview of the module and what you should be recommended readings are and what you can expect in the module. And then you would progress forward and take a look at our lesson, which in this case starts with what is fraud data analytics. So you would proceed through that. And you'll see that each module we have a discussion forum, a critical thinking assignment, and in Module 1 we start with reminding you of our portfolio projects.